Hello, welcome to my video. I decided to do an introductory video to lead off this project. This is a 29 Ford Model A two-door sedan, 60-year-old basket case project. It's going to take a while to do, so I'm going to do this in multiple videos. My father bought this car in mid to late 50s, 57, 58 in high school, drove it in high school, drove it in college for a year, joined the Army, and then had some engine issues and took the engine out and had it rebuilt and took the car apart, and then he was shipped off to Germany. So never really got back to putting it back together. So a basket case project means I didn't take it apart, and when I got it, not really baskets, but boxes and boxes of parts. And since I didn't take it apart, I'm not super sure on how everything goes back together. So I'm gonna figure that out as I go along. Yeah, the majority of the parts, big parts, seem to be here. Four fenders, engine, body, doors, the seats are in it. It's probably gonna be the small parts that, would be missing, because it's been shipped around. We moved so many times since he took it apart in 1962, so that some parts got missing, misplaced. I know the running boards, were totally gone, so I don't know if they were just so rusty they got thrown out along the way, or what happened to the running boards. So I had to, I got some replacement running boards. I've been trying to go through all the parts to figure out if I have everything and what I'm missing. I know I'm missing a door panel, which here's one right here. This little door panel. There's two of these. This one, I think, is on that side of the rear window crank here. And there's another one on this side, the driver's side, that is missing and are difficult to find. I've already been searching for one of those for a few years. Started working on this in 1985. I actually started working on it. Got it engine loosened up and got it running. Haven't done anything with it. Then 2020 decided to start working on it again, and like this fender, it was pretty rusty, so sanded it down, put rust stopper on it, and primered it and painted it, and looks better. It's still not a really great paint job, but it stopped the rust at the time. And you can see I took the body off the frame and sanded the whole frame down, dropped the rear axle down so I could get to the rear spring, primered it all and rust stopped it, primered it all, and and painted the chassis. Did the same thing on the engine, which is underneath this plastic now. Tried to keep it protected, but I just want to give kind of an intro to where it came from. Basket case project, where I'm at now, starting in well, really it's February 2023, so basically 60 some odd years after it was taken apart, trying to put it back together. And like I said, trying to do an inventory, and if I have to search out some parts like the door panel here that are difficult to find, don't seem to be reproduced, or if I'll have to just get some sheet metal and start bending and try to make one that looks similar to this one. At least I have a reverse pattern of it. This is just the first of the videos, and as I accomplish some tasks, or while I'm doing the task, I try to record it to show the progress.